Good morning. Good morning, Bonaire.
What is happening, everybody? We are in beautiful Bonaire. Bonjour, Bonaire.
But we're excited.
We booked this months ago because we heard that Woodwind was one of the best snorkeling excursions here on the island of Bonaire. And Bonaire is one of the best snorkeling places in the Caribbean. So we were super amped to get out there and go out on this ship. We've been anticipating it the whole trip. I brought my silicone wax stuff. We're gonna try that out on the mustache. I'm praying that it works well because I really want to enjoy this trip and do not want my mask leaking the whole time. We just got off the ship. We're heading out to find the catamaran that we're gonna be going out on for about 3 hours. We're going out to a little island off the coast of Bonaire called Klein Bonaire, which means like Little Bonaire. Super amped about this, guys. It's gonna be a ton of fun. We just figured out why this island is called Bonaire. All the rocks here look like little bones.
Yeah, sometimes they catch a jellyfish.
Hey, did you see all the bones in the boneyard?
Yep, the boneyard.
Is that why it's called Bonaire?
Bonaire. The bone? Why is that bone?
It's a bone. There's bones everywhere.
It's a rock. I'm gonna keep it. Can I come down here? Ah, I broke the one. Uh-oh. I need a new one.
You two look super stoked for snorkeling.
Woo! Can't wait to get my hair wet. We're so excited to get our hair wet. Yeah, so we're gonna go snorkeling on a snorkeling adventure, and we're gonna see some fish and some turtles.
Oh,
and turtles.
And jellyfish.
And hopefully not get stung again.
Take off your shirt.
Going wetsuit?
You're going wetsuit already. It's really hot in here.
That's cool, man. Yeah, it's gonna be sweaty in there until you get in the water.
Yeah.
You're almost in. How's it feel?
So hot.
What are you wearing? Show us your muscles. The outdoor portion of the ship is obviously very, very popular. Nobody is back there except the crew. The kids are getting all their wetsuits on. They're having a difficult time getting them on though, but they're loving them. They feel like scuba divers. They're just loving wearing the wetsuits. And I think Mindy's loving them too because these guys are not gonna get burned at all because they're not actually gonna be in any sun whatsoever. They put the wetsuits on right away when they got them. We're not even to our snorkeling spot yet. They're all gonna be baking before we get there. We're super stoked about this. We came out to this little island out here behind me. Bonaire over there, and then there is Klein Bonaire, where we're going to be snorkeling. Going in. This is our first dive of the day. We're going in this really shallow, more mellow part of the island. This is Shelly. She's
Hey guys, I'm new here.
I want to introduce Shelly.
Not to be confused with Shell.
She's the fun shell. No, just kidding. But we're going in right back here where the water is super shallow back there and then has a steep drop off. So I cannot wait to go kind of free dive off that.
All I know is that it is so turquoise that my eyes are almost burning. Like I wish you could see how turquoise
Good thing you have those sunnies on.
I know, good thing I have these sunnies on or else my retinas would be fried.
All right, we're gonna go gear up. I gotta get this thing taken care of and we're gonna get in the water. It's time, guys. Let's see what happens with this.
I was gonna grab something generous amount. Oh wow, that's gonna be fun later. Babe, you got a booger.
Does it look like an even application?
I guess.
I'm gonna put some on the inside of my mask. Does it look good? What does it look like? I need a mirror.
It's just clear.
Maybe I'll start wearing this daily. Does it look like a good styling gel?
No, it looks like you're profusely perspiring.
All right, I'm gonna see if this will stay stuck on my face when I breathe in.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a game changer, guys.
No more shaving.
I may never not have a beard again. Ready, bud?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. My mask came off. Malfunction! We made it! Hey, Mindy. Yes.
We just finished with the first snorkel session.
It was so much fun.
It was so much fun. We saw so many turtles. Ruby was really hoping to see a bull shark, right?
Tiger sand shark? Yeah.
Some sort of shark, but we did not see that. I'm sorry, dude. But the
Maybe
turtles.
on this one we might get lucky.
Yeah, we're going on a second dive here in a second. These guys are all geared up still, ready to go.
I'm an experienced diver. I've only dived. This is my second time.
This company, Woodwind, has been amazing. They have wetsuits for all the kids. Their gear is very, very nice. It has been really, really cool, and they have a guide that goes with each group, and she just swam with Hazy the entire time and watched her and helped her have fun.
They pointed out turtles, and after this they're gonna feed us delicious sandwiches with pasta, and then at the end they're gonna give us cake. So
Oh my gosh. They're giving us noodles, Kruby's favorite food. Seriously, this has been so much fun and so amazing. Such a good experience. And Brandon and Mindy are able to enjoy it because the guide is watching Hazy, watching the kids. And honestly, these guys are the best little swimmers.
Ryler is the best at diving. If you dive in and stand there for like 30 seconds and then come back up and say, hey, there's a turtle.
Yeah, Right Guy can dive so deep, and he's like really, really talented. It's so cool, and he would spot stuff for us and point it out so we can see it. That was awesome, huh?
And on this one,
there he is! King Diver himself, Ryler Bingham.
I'm gonna be getting some good footage for you guys.
Heck yeah, dude. This is where we're going right here behind us.
So, on this one, it's way too shallow that if you're not looking, you could like skim a bunch of coral right here and get really big burns, but the
wetsuit might keep us safe a little bit. And you gotta watch your head because you're gonna probably be hitting some coral over there.
Good tips, good safety tips, guys. All right, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna get back in the water. All set for round 2? Guys, we just finished up our second dive. I think it was even cooler than the first one. Minus the turtles. We didn't see turtles on the second one, but we saw them on the first one. But there was so much cool coral and deep places to dive down. So funny to see little Hazy in her mask and snorkel kind of piggybacking on our guide as she went around and just kind of looked at stuff when she wanted to and then kept her head above water when she wanted to. We're gonna eat now. You guys got some noodles here.
So good. This is incredible. Look at this food you get. Sorry.
Holy crap, huge plate.
You may interrupt, but look at the plate that the mommies and daddies get.
Oh man, it feels good to lay down. Laying out on top of our boat. See, we're on the top of it.
Guys, we're just leaving the port. Here's the main island of Bonaire, and then we were out on Klein Bonaire, which is that piece of land out there. It's a little island right off of the coast, and it's actually like a protected natural preserve. So beautiful. The coral was awesome, guys. That was so much fun. I just ran up here super fast while everybody else is getting ready for dinner because I wanted to come see the ship leave the dock. We're pulling out right now, and I wanted to show you guys that's the little island we were out snorkeling on today. So cool. So I'm gonna run down, get changed, get showered. We're actually going to the dining hall tonight, which we're all stoked about because we're starving. Don't judge us. We expended a lot of energy today out snorkeling. snorkeling. And between Chelle and I, we ordered all 5 of the entrees. Garlic tiger shrimp, chicken cordon bleu, baked Diane, roasted rack of lamb, and some pasta dish that I can't pronounce. We're sharing the 5, everybody.
I got 3 appetizers, 2 entrees, and 2 desserts.
Oh, and he doubled up the order of garlic shrimp because he knows me so well. Kruby here has been complaining a little bit about how hard it is to spread the butter, so we taught him a little trick here. Let's see it, bud.
So you put it under your armpit, squeeze it tight.
Oh, don't squeeze it too hard, it'll blast out of there. You gotta hold it under your armpit though for about 5 minutes. You can do 2 at a time, you have 2 armpits.
Chelle, donuts and apple pie.
Brexy, you got one? That is gonna be easy butter to spread, boys. How's that?
Way better. Done.
Wow, you guys, we are closing up shop. Today was incredible. Seriously, maybe my favorite days, but I feel like I've been saying that like every day. Today was just so beautiful, so much fun. Bonaire was, oh, it was so beautiful. That water was unlike anything I've ever seen. Snorkeling was so much fun. We saw turtles, and not to mention, the kids killed it. Like Hazy, legit, the guide that we were with, she took off her floaties and she would just like free dive with her, and it was so cool. I mean, it was kind of like choppy, wavy water out there, but Hazy was just loving it. And then when we got back in from our first dive, she was like, when are we gonna get back in the ocean? Like, she just loved it, and she did so good. And Rye Guy, I mean, I dare say Rye Guy is good as diving deep as he is.
Oh, wow.
Rye Guy was loving it, and he was so good at like diving down.
Tomorrow we have another at sea day. We'll be on the ship all day. I think we're actually gonna sleep in tomorrow and get some much needed rest because we've been just on the go.
Yeah.
But make sure you guys check out our Instagram at Dan and Chelle. Chelle is attempting to post more often.
Guys, service has been sketchy, and I've been like so occupied with like taking photos that I apologize right now that I have not been very good at posting on our Instagram. I promise I'm gonna up my Instagram story game because I'm so bad at it. I'm so bad at it.
Make sure you guys subscribe if you are new, like this video.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Guys, our mic is crapping out on us. I'm sorry, but it pops a lot and I lose a lot of audio. So if that happens, I'm sorry. But for real, it is crapping out.
Later, Gator.
You done?
Yeah, okay.